Mr. Firebird.
Welcome, Putt. Would you like to help me make a skyrocket?
You bet.
I'll give you a hand, but be careful not to touch that lever. It's for my big secret experiment.
Wow.
Just show me what you want to do. Welcome back, Putt.
Bright stars.
Ho-ho! The squiggly worms are my favorites.
Those hearts are sure pretty. What a pretty butterfly. No, Pep!
Oh no!
What's happening?
Buckle your seatbelt, Putt. You're going for a ride!
A criminal suit was filed against Mr. Firebird. He is accused of purposeful wrongdoing and criminal neglect. It is believed that Mr. Firebird's negligence caused Putt's unfortunate accident earlier today.
He's Harvey, sweetest furry pussycat around. Yeah. That's what you get for putting a purple car in danger, Mr. Firebird. And I'm Harvey.